Okay, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another exciting episode of Tech Talk, where we're keeping you updated. My name is Jonathan Nindi, aka JAY, and if you haven't done so already, please go and hit the subscribe button so that we can be making more videos to keep you updated. Otherwise, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tech Talk. Okay, so we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, which is the Starlink uh, situation that we have right now in Zambia. Because, in case you live under a rock, Starlink is now in Zambia. So now you know. And if you don't know what Starlink is, well, please go ahead and click the link that should be on the top right corner of this video so that you can look at. Basically a video where I describe what Starlink is. It's coming to Zambia and what it means for everybody in Zambia, I guess. So the link will take you to a video that explains everything about a Starlink. But in a nutshell, it's basically internet via satellite. Yeah. So in this particular episode, what we're gonna do is, since we already introduced to you what Starlink is and how you are able to access it in Zambia, in this episode, we're basically going to do a walkthrough of how you can get started with Starlink in Zambia. Now, if you don't know this already, Starlink is giving us two options. There's the home package and there's the business package. So the home package is delivered via the Starlink website itself, and the business package is being delivered by a company that has been chosen by Starlink, and that is Paratas Zambia. Now, Paratas Zambia already operates in this space, and they already offer other internet connectivity services, and so Starlink saw it fit to give them to be their official distributor of their business package. So I just said, one, if you want the residential and home package, you're going to have to go to their Starlink website. Two, if you want the business package, you're going to have to get in touch with Paratas, because they are the ones that have been tasked with distributing that particular package. That said, like I said in this video, we're going to be walking you through how you can go about getting Starlink internet services in Zambia. So take it away.
Okay, so welcome everybody. I'm going to walk you through how to basically access or search for Starlink services in Zambia. Like I mentioned, there are two packages that are available. We have the residential or home package, and then there's the business package. So let's go ahead and first look at the residential or home package. So what you do is you go to your browser. Maybe it's Chrome, maybe it's Microsoft Edge, or maybe it's Mozilla Firefox or Opera Mini, whichever one you decide. You basically go to your browser and you type in Starlink. Yeah, starlink.com, and just wait for that to load. And if you Google it, it will probably pop up, give you options, but yeah, this is taking us straight to starlink.com. And so in most cases, when you do first time you do go to their website, in certain instances the browser will try and ask for your location, because this is their official site. So the browser will sometimes ask for your location because they are trying to give you to offer you a service that is tailored to your location. Now, as it stands, Starlink is available in over 60 countries, and so depending on your location, you may get a prompt from your browser for it to ask you where your location is, and you can go ahead and say yes. Then it will basically refresh the page to give you more or less a tailored option depending on the location where you are. Yeah, so but then the other way of going about it is you basically choose the location that you're in. So this is their page, and what you do is you scroll over this side, and you basically choose where exactly you are located, and yeah, from then on your experience will be tailored to the location that you enter. So I just want to give you like I just want to show you how to go about it. Although mine's already picked my location, that is Zambia. So I just want to show you the options that you are able to basically view, so that you can pinpoint the location and get uh, something that is tailored to your particular location. Okay, my internet's a bit slow. Okay, yep, there you go. Yeah, so basically you get to choose where you are, but it's already picked up that the fact that I'm in Zambia, and yeah, so it's saying it's available now. Um, yeah, so another way you can do it is you basically type the location where you are. Like for example, I can type Lusaka, Zambia. Let's say Lusaka, Zambia. Then yeah, it will pinpoint where exactly you are, and yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to show you. So anyway, let's get back to so as you can see, this is Zambia. It's already pinpointed where I am. So let's get back to the home page so that we can basically um, look at what plans are available. So like I said, for the residential or home package, you have to go to the official website, and that's where you'll be able to order from. For the business package, it's a bit different, because for the business package, they are using Paratus Zambia, and they are the ones who are the official distributor of the business packages that Starlink will be offering. Okay, so we've got it here. We're in Lusaka, Zambia, and it's available to us. And so basically, what you do is you go and select residential, where you want to connect to a home. In case you have a boat, you can choose that. Yeah, so Starlink for homes. So the charge is 771 kwacha per month, and there's a hardware cost of 10,744 kwacha. I know, right? That's like an arm and a leg, but hey, it's satellite internet. It's not exactly cheap to put those things up there. Anyway, so this is the Starlink package, the home package, and so we have various plans that basically are laid out here, and so the standard one is the best one, that's going for 771 uh, kwacha per month, and you get unlimited data. I know, right? That's crazy, because most of these ISPs don't even charge that little for getting uncapped data. So yeah, so let's just have a look at the plans that they have, so that we can see what ranges you're looking at. Okay, so when it comes to the plans, they have two options. You've got one static location, and you've got the on the go kind of a plan. So on the go means you're moving about, I guess, and on location is like one static location where you're receiving your internet from. So depending on what exactly your need is, they have about these different plans that basically help guide um, yeah, you have these different guides that help show how you're going to what plan works for you. So we have the standard, which is best for households. That's going for 771 per month. So you have unlimited high speed, low latency internet, which is just great. And you have the priority plan, which is best for businesses and high demand users. Um, so this one is going for, so you have unlimited data, and you have one that's 1 TB, and the other one is 2 TB, going for 3,800. One is 1,900. 6 TB going for 11,716 kwacha per month. Wow, actually paying that much per month. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So another thing that you see that's very interesting is there's actually a difference in the kind of equipment that's shipped to you depending on what you choose. So for the standard and most basic plan, you're given the you're given the standard Starlink hardware. But for a priority package, you are given a flat high performance Starlink package. And as you can see, this one's seemingly a bit differently designed from this one. You know, it looks like you just place it on the roof or something. Although this one seems to have some sort of a stand, you know. And so moving on to, so those two plans are basically for locations that are static, but then you have on the go locations where you can look at, that is, you're getting satellite internet for your mobile. And this is for people that do a lot of maybe camping or hiking, or I mean, you know, people that are adventurous, really, that do move around a lot, and you know, these two want quality internet. So they also have their own kind of thing going on there. And you have one that's costing about 1,000 kwacha per month, and another one that's going at 3,950 kwacha per month. And it looks like it's the standard hardware. And last but not the least, we have the mobile priority, which is best for mobile businesses, emergency response, apparently. And yeah, it seems to have a lot of other features, like you're getting network priority, ocean use. Huh, okay, looks like it's a more or less a global kind of a thing, you know. Unlimited mobile global data. Ah, okay, cool. So one's costing about 5,000, another one's costing 20,000 depending on the space. um, and you have 100,000 as well. So yeah, and this one's also taking up the flat high performance equipment, and that's costing about 50,113 kwacha. Okay, so it looks like the flat high performance gives you um, hardware that's a bit different, and it costs about 50,000. Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, those are the service plans that are available. So depending on what service plan you want to go with, you choose it, and then you know, Starlink will get your details, and they'll be able to ship it to your particular location. The good news is Starlink is now available in Zambia, so you'll be able to make your order, and yeah, they'll ship it to you. I don't know, maybe via FedEx or maybe DHL, whichever one works. I guess those are logistics that you sort out after you sign up. So if you're interested in staying up to date with Starlink, you can sign up for basically the a newsletter. I'm assuming that's the newsletter, and yeah, you'll be able to do that right here. Otherwise, if you want to try, I mean, if you want to make a purchase, let's just do like sort of a walkthrough to just see what goes on, you know. And yeah, so oh, and for those that don't know, It actually, Starlink is something that you can actually install on your own. Not too many people actually have issues with this. It's actually quite easy to set up. It's just basically um, the router and as well as the satellite that comes to you. So you just put the router on, I mean, you put the satellite on the roof or whatever point you want it to be able to point, to be able to be exposed outside. Then the router is, like any other router. You put it inside your house, and probably cables and connections that you run, and yeah, it's as simple as that. It actually also has apps, and yeah, so you have unlimited data, no contracts. Yeah, so, and obviously the most critical thing is the weather issue, because it's going to have to withstand rain, winds, storms, tsunamis, if you have them anyway. But yeah, it's pretty weather resistant, and it's able to normalize in case there's any issue of latency. So what comes in the box? Yeah, so what comes in the box is basically a router. You have the Starlink base, Starlink satellite thingy. You have the base, you have the router, you have the Starlink cable, and you have the AC cable to connect to your power. And yeah, so this just gives you more information about what's coming your way, should you make the purchase. And yeah, basically that's yeah, so that's basically it about it. I mean, if you want other services, like if you person that roams around, you can check that out. And if you're a person that's on the boat, you can also check that out. And yeah, try Starlink for 30 days, and if you're not satisfied, you get a refund. Okay, I don't know how valid that is, but let's try to order now and see what happens. We are trying this out, obviously, so you know we might as well go through the whole process and see how it is. um, so I've just clicked the order now function, and I really just want to see what happens when you do make the order. Okay, so at this point, they're assuming you want to buy, and yeah, so it basically, um, okay, so I'm not, so where Starlink is currently available in Zambia, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so here they basically tell you what's involved, and you get to register. Um, you basically put your contact details and information and things like that, phone number, billing information. You enter your details, your card. So you have the service charge, which is going at 770 kwacha. You have the hardware that's costing 10,744, and you have the shipping and handling, which is costing about 400 kwacha. So in total, what happens is you have a total charge for it to finally get to Zambia. Charge is about 11,144 kwacha. That's how much you're gonna spend in total to get this guy. Yeah, so once you fill in the details, then you'll be ready to place your order. I'm not gonna do that right now because I'm not placing the order yet, but yeah, just so you know, that's how you go about purchasing a Starlink product on the internet. So I'm just gonna go back to the home page, and yeah, we're done with the residential or home package. So let's see if we can also go to Paratas, Zambia, to see to look at the business package. So you just go on and type Paratas, Zambia. Oh yeah, already did. So just search for Paratus Zambia, and once it pops up, you'll be able to do that. And yeah, so Paratus Zambia, they are the ones that have been given the rights to be able to distribute Starlink business package in Zambia. So let's go on to Paratus Zambia. And these guys are already providing other different kinds of internet services, data center services, cloud services, and satellite internet is something they've just added to their portfolio as well. And Starlink decided to partner with them, and they are the official distributor in Zambia of the Starlink business package. Okay. And yeah, so this is, we're in Zambia, so it's a multinational company, so it's already picked up. We're in Zambia here, and yeah, so this is Paratus, and yeah, so like I said, they do quite a number of things. Yeah, they provide cloud, they all provide data centers, and as well as connectivity as well. So I think that's why they were sort of the choice for Starlink. Oh, and yeah, there you go. Already, like I said, Paratus is the authorized Starlink business seller. So let's go ahead. We're actually very interested to find out and look at that. Um, to look at the satellite services that these guys are able to offer via Starlink. Yeah, my internet is a bit slow. I should probably get Starlink. Yeah. Um, okay. So finally fired it up. And yeah, so Starlink, Paratus is excited to offer Starlink, the next generation of satellite internet. So yeah. So basically, as an authorized Starlink reseller, we provide you with a complete package of installation, maintenance, and support services, ensuring that you enjoy the best quality and reliability as possible. Okay, so Starlink business. Okay, you have access to more than double the antenna strength of Starlink residential and also low latency, blah blah blah. Okay, yeah, and they actually show you a video of how Starlink works, and yeah, you can click that just to watch the video and see how it really works. But you can also click my video that explains how satellite internet works. And so just some other explanations about it, what kind of satellites they're using, and that kind of a thing. Yeah, so obviously, if you're a business, you're interested in how do you sign up for this. So because Star Apparatus is an authorized reseller, and yeah, so like I said, should you require residential services, please refer to the Starlink website. And so that's what we started with. These guys only deal with the business side of things. So if you're a business and you're interested in wanting to acquire the business package for Starlink, you basically come here, submit your details, company name, country, town, city, and is it service for business or residential? Obviously, it's going to be for business. And so you give that information, and they will be able to contact you. And yeah, I guess you probably follow it up with whatever sales team that is on their end, and they'll be able to advise how they can basically serve you with the Starlink business product. Now, this thing actually says that these guys provide um, complete package of installation, maintenance, and support services. Oh, okay. Cool. So I thought they were just providing the installation, but it looks like they provide maintenance and support services. Okay, so being the authorized distributor, they're actually able to also provide maintenance and support services. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, so basically, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you go about accessing Starlink services for a home or residential package, or if you're a business, that's how you go about um, acquiring or getting in contact with the distributor to be able to acquire the business package for Starlink. Yep. So that's basically it for this walkthrough. And yeah, if you manage to have the amount that is required to pay for Starlink, that's how you go about it, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, so that's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough. And if you're just getting started with Starlink in Zambia, that's basically how you go about it. And so that's it for this episode, ladies and gentlemen. I hope it was informative for you, and I hope that if you were really trying to get informed on how you get started with Starlink, that has helped, as well as the video that we shared to bring you up to speed with what Starlink is and what it means for it coming to Zambia. Yeah, so that's basically it for this episode. Thank you so much for sticking with us, and we're gonna hope to make sure that we keep you informed with the latest information to do with all things that are tech in nature. My name is Jonathan Nindi, aka JAY, and I'm always here to make sure you're updated. Ciao.